Hello everybody. I just wanted to start this video out by saying thank you because I hit 100 subscribers. I am so excited. But I wanted to today walk with you down this way and show you. This is a little place, a little fishing hole, and it's right down from the dam, which you can see right up there. And it's a neat little place, and especially if you like trout fishing, right here is the place for it. It's got steps down to it. And this little river is what is coming out of the lake. Oh, and it's so shady. It's very nice. You can tell right here that this little river, this little creek, stream, whatever you want to call it, is up just a little bit because right there's grass under the water. And that's because they're letting a lot of water out of the dam. Getting ready for that cold season coming up. I'll just tell you, if standing here listening to this running water does not put you in a better mood, I don't think you're human. Right here, I don't know if you can see it, are those little bugs. Oh, and the closer I get, the more wild they go. They are, I'm not exactly sure what they are. My friend at work, Paula, calls them midges, I think. So I don't know. I don't know what that is. Is that bugs or fish? I cannot tell. It really looks like fish. I don't know what they are. What are they, people? Please, somebody tell me in the comments. I don't know. Okay, so they are not bugs. Yeah, I've tried to take a closer look. They're not bugs. They're some kind of amphibians. I just don't know if they're fish or if they're tadpoles, you know, that have lost their tails. I have no idea. That's neat. That's very neat. There's some more right there. Another little group. And all over the bank there are these little shells that look like little mussels have come out of them. And here's that bridge that leads over to the dam. Now that sign over there says restricted, no boats here to dam. Doesn't say you can't walk it, but yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna walk over that. And I have on my new shoes, so I'm not doing that today. We will do that another time. But for right now, I'm going to walk along this little creek here and just take a nice relaxing stroll. And these leaves, ooh, they crunchy. I guess ASMR will be one of the tags I use in this one. Down this way there are little benches for you to sit on and fish. And like I said, trout. Yes, that's what you catch down here, trout. Down here the water's really steady. You know, I'm going to have to get me a fishing license. And I'm going to have to go fishing. That's all there is to it. My dad loved to fish. He loved it. He was every weekend. Fishing tournaments, all that stuff. Big stump. And here it is, October, getting toward the end of October, and there are still little flowers. Right here is another stairway that comes down here and goes back up. I'm a little skittish of this, but let's try it. Let's see. Okay, very steady. A lot of leaves. Okay, so that worked. Yes, still very steady. Puts you right back up here on the road. Oh, look down that way at the trees. Oh, they're changing color and it's so beautiful. The fall. Well, guys, join me for my next video. And again, thank you for 100 subscribers. I am so excited. Bye.